Hello, it's Mr. Chang here. Welcome back. Red Braised Belly Pork, also known as Shao Rou. This is the best way to prepare it. 500 grams of belly pork, which should feed two people, but once you taste this, you're going to wish you cooked about 50 or 60 kilos. It's absolutely beautiful, so addictive. Chances are you've never heard of this recipe before. I learned how to make this recipe in a province in China. An old Chinese man taught me how to make it. He was 108, would you believe? Absolutely delicious. So cut your belly pork into 2-inch cube-sized pieces and put them into cold water. We're going to bring that to the boil to remove all the scum and impurities. You see it here floating to the top. Drain and rinse the belly pork under cold water. Once you make pork like this, you're never going to make it any other way. This is so simple to make at home. Return the belly pork to a pot of cold water, just enough water to cover the pork. Add Shaoxing wine, some dark soy sauce, some light soy sauce, and some brown sugar. I'll put everything in the description box below. You'll find the full recipe there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this. For the spices, we're going to add in some star anise, my all-time favourite star anise. It's like licorice. Does anyone know if they use star anise for Pernod? You know, that alcoholic drink? I'm not sure. Drop that in the comments if you think they use star anise for Pernod. Some ginger, some crushed garlic, some chilli. Now, technically, there isn't chilli in this recipe. I've just adapted it because I like it a bit spicy. Finish that off with spring onions. And then we're going to cover this up and we're going to boil it on low to medium heat for about 1 hour. Take the lid off and it'll look like this. Then we're going to return the lid but keep it slightly open about an inch here until we reduce all that sauce. Turn up the heat and cook on high for an extra 30 minutes until all the sauce is reduced like this, and then we're going to add in some corn flour slurry. This is going to thicken up. We'll give it a quick stir. Thank you very much to all my new private members I got this week. It really helps with this channel. Soon enough, when I get another 5 or 6 members, I will be able to buy a microphone and then you can hear me properly. Oh, braised belly pork, lovely jubbly.